Hi everyone, I hope you are well. From 6th of April 2025, personal taxes rules has been changed, as you know. You can watch it my first video, previous video, if you want to learn about remittance basis and arising basis. In this video, we will talk about FIG regime, or we can call it FIG relief. Let's walk through with my notes. Before 6th of April 2025, we had different rules, and non-domiciled UK resident people tax under the remittance basis for their overseas income and gains. Non-domiciled rules has been abolished from 6th of April 2025. And overseas gains and incomes will be taxed under the arising basis according to new rules. But for this new rule, for this new FIG relief, there is an exemption for new UK resident people for their overseas income and gains. And to claim this relief, you have to be eligible individual in the UK. And you must meet some new resident rules. Let's look at these new resident rules. Imagine you arrive to the UK here at year 11, you must not be resident previous 10 years in the UK. If you were resident here somewhere, you cannot claim FIG relief. Also, this new relief is for 4 tax years only. So if you catch this relief, if you can get this relief, it means for 4 tax years in the UK, you are not going to pay any taxes for your overseas income and gains. But please don't forget, you have to submit your overseas income and gains in the UK. Let's look at my first example. Imagine you arrived to the UK in April 2022. April 2022 means 2022-2023 tax years, because tax year starting on 6th of April each year and finishing 5th of April in the next year. So if you look at my first example, you arrived to the UK in April 2022. So 22-23 tax year, your first tax year in the UK. 23-24 your second. 24-25 your third tax year. 25-26 was your fourth tax year. And the rule has been changed from 6th of April 2025. So this means that 25-26 tax year is one of your fourth tax year in your UK residency. It means here in 25-26 tax year, you can claim a FIG relief and you don't pay any UK taxes for your overseas income and gains. Imagine that you arrived to the UK in 2023-24 tax year this time. This means that, again, for previous 10 tax years, you were not resident in the UK, and 23-24, your first tax year, 24-25, your second tax year in the UK, and 6th of April 2025 rule has been changed here. 25-26 your third, 26-27 your fourth tax year. So for 23-24 your first tax year in the UK, you can claim remittance basis. Second tax year, which is 24-25, you can claim remittance basis. 25-26 FIG. 26-27 you can claim FIG relief again. So this means that you are not going to pay any taxes for these 4 tax years, because remittance basis means there's no tax in the UK. And the same FIG relief, there's no tax in the UK for your overseas income and gains. But from 27-28 tax years, your all overseas income and gains will be taxable in the UK. These first 2 tax years are very important if you claim remittance basis for your overseas income and gains, because this will lead us to our third video, which is coming on the way. Hopefully we will publish it next week. Have a nice day.